Hello and welcome back to another video for Cyber Seniors. Today I will be discussing the topic of using Gmail on the iPad. Once you've already downloaded it and registered for a Gmail account, we can begin. To send an email, select the plus button on the left side. You will then be prompted to a box which contains three parts. To, which is where you'll enter your recipients of the email. The subject, which is where you can enter a brief description of what the email is regarding, and the body of the email, which is where your actual message gets entered. Start by entering who you would like to receive the email by typing in their name. You can send an email to more than one person if you'd like. If you already have emailed this person before, their name may pop up as you type their name into the to box. Be sure to press the return key on the right side of your keyboard to confirm that this is who you want to email. If this is your first time emailing someone, you must enter their correct email address in the to box. After you feel your email is sufficient, you have the ability to attach a file, which could include a document or a photo from your camera roll, by pressing the paperclip symbol and then selecting a file. It's important to include in your email that you attached a file to alert the recipients that there may be more to the email they have not seen. When looking at the main page on Gmail, you will see emails that others have sent to you. The white background with bolded letters indicates that this is an email that is new or one that you haven't opened yet. The gray colored emails indicate that you've already opened or read them. When opening up an email that someone has sent you, you can use the smart reply options which are already generated to respond easily. Or you can press reply and type your response in the box, if you want to reply to just the sender. Replying to all allows you to respond to all of the recipients, or forwarding the message allows you to send it to someone that is not already included in the email. Type your message and press send. Thank you for watching.